Are you looking for a boy? Are you looking for a girl? If you want to become pregnant with a boy or pregnant with a girl, this is the best channel for you. First of all, we must understand that this is a controversial topic that many people have refuted, but I'm going to bring it so simple for you to understand. And trying is not so bad. Trying is not criminal. Trying can even help you to achieve this by using this particular method that has been creating waves all over the world. This is a theory that was invented by a biologist, and in fact, it was the pioneer of in vitro fertilization. That is Dr. Landrum Schittel. So we use a method called Schittel method, invented by Dr. Landrum B. Schittel. So for us to understand this, we must look at the basic way to understand the biology of human beings in terms of the chromosomes that are produced by male and chromosomes that are produced by female. Now let's do it and let's go. So we have female here, we have male here. So female normally produce sets of chromosomes, and we have what we call XX chromosomes, and male produce what we call XY chromosomes. And this XX and XY chromosome is what will result into what we are looking for, either a boy or either a girl. So in this particular scenario, female will donate X chromosomes. We do the crossing and it will result to XX, and this one will be a female. That one is called a girl. This one will result to a baby girl. So female will also donate X and male donates Y, and we will have XY. We will have XY, and this is a male. This is a male, which means that now we have a baby boy. We have a baby boy. Now, Dr. Landrum Schittel has a theory that if you use, and there is also confession by different individuals that they have used these particular theories to get a baby boy or a baby girl. And the first one we want to use is ovulation method, whereby we consider the day you are ovulating. And this is particularly for those who are very, very sure that this particular day I'm ovulating, particularly those who have a 28-day cycle. This method is very, very wonderful for you. Now, let's understand what this Schittel means in terms of the spermatozoa of the one determining a boy or the one determining a girl. So now we have a boy, and also we have a girl. So in this particular scenario, Schittel normally says that boys' sperm normally travel faster. After deposit into the vagina, towards the cervix, towards the uterus, to fallopian tube for fertilization. This boy sperm is a faster runner, will run very fast, but the girl sperm is slow runner. It's a slow runner, it will travel very slowly. And in terms of number two, we are going to consider in terms of number that these particular sperms take inside the female reproductive system. I had done a video of how long do sperm stay in female reproductive system, and we concluded in that my video that it takes 5 days inside female reproductive system. And if you have not watched that video, kindly, it is appearing up here on how long do sperm stay inside female reproductive system. Now we are talking in terms of sperm. What happens to the boy sperms? takes around 3 days. Takes around 3 days, and girls' sperms takes around 5 days. Takes around 5 days. Now, let's now consider the great topic that now we are here about how long, how am I going to get a baby boy, or how am I going to get a baby girl? Let's take a female whose ovulation is on the 19th day of every month. Let me use this part. 19th day of every month. 19th day of every month, this particular female is ovulating in this particular day. So we have the days. We have 18th, we have 17th, we have 16th, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 15th day. So we have first day, second day, third day, fourth day, 5th day. This is where ovulation takes place. So if you have intercourse with your partner on this particular day, on 15th day, the sperms will stay for how long? 5 days. So if you have sex here, sperm will take day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Considering this scenario, this particular conception will be a baby girl, because if you deposit sperms on this particular day, sperm will stay for 5 days, and this one you will result to a baby girl. But if you have sex on this particular day of ovulation, we get that boys are faster runners. Boys' sperms are faster runners. And this particular scenario, if you have sex on this particular day, the sperms that will be deposited are from both male and female, but the boy is running very fast and the girl's sperm is very slow. The result will be a baby boy, because boys are faster runners. Now, if you even have sex around this particular day on 18th, because boys' sperms are faster runners, they will run very fast, they will swim very fast to reach the fallopian tube, and this one will result into a baby boy. Now let's come to on 16, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th day. You deposit sperms here at this particular day, that is day 1, day 2, day 3. By this particular day, 18th, the boy's sperm only take 3 days. They should have died long time ago. Living this long distance traveler is slow, but is traveling for a longer period of day. So if you have sex on the 16th day, you will have a baby girl. So this particular theory explains how you can be able to conceive very, very fast in terms of getting a baby boy or in terms of getting a baby girl. And this, as I stress again, it normally works well with those who knows their ovulation day. And this is the Shitl method about ovulation. The second method is about the alkalinity and the acidity of the vagina or of the cervix. So Shitl postulates that boy sperms are always having favorable condition of alkaline, that if a female reaches orgasm, there is alkalinity will exceeds acidity, and this might result to a baby boy. Likewise to giving birth, when you have doing sex, when you do a deeper penetration, as you know here, boy sperms travel very faster. If you do deeper penetration, that is approaching your female partner from the behind, to result into deeper penetration, now giving the distance between the fallopian tubes and where the sperms has been deposited to be very short, and this will result into a baby boy. So if you do not want a deeper penetration, or you do not want closeness to the cervix and the fallopian tube, then you do shallow penetration the normal sex way, this one will result into a baby girl. This one will result to a baby girl because of the slowness of the spermatozoa. And when alkalinity is reduced, this is because now you tell your female not, or your partner not, to reach orgasm, and this one will result into a baby girl. So these are controversial topic that many scientists have refuted, but there are people who are confessing that they have used this particular method. Now, the method that is accepted internationally, that you can be very, very sure that I want this particular gender, is what we call gender selection during IVF. That is in vitro fertilization. This is proven beyond no reasonable doubt that now if you are interested in a gender, then you do IVF. In Kenya, there are very many IVF hospitals, particularly Nairobi, even Eldoret, Medhill Hospital. They do fertility, and there's also Medhill in Nairobi. And as I'm going to post some of the hospitals that are doing this particular IVF. So if you are having cash, because it's costly, around 3,500 US dollars, that's around 350,000 Kenyan shillings, you can do in vitro fertilization, and you also request for gender selection. That one has been proven beyond no reasonable doubt. So the methods that I've stated here about the speed of the sperms and the number of days the spermatozoa take into the system is normally controversial. Even deeper penetration or even a female reaching orgasm has been refuted, but it's good to try. Kindly give your comments down here if you love what I've said and if you love what I've shared. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the notification bell for more videos that we'll post. And also, if you want to support us, this M-Pesa number, just send something small to support this channel. Otherwise, muchas gracias.